stuck in our room. We lost it all today, and we don't know where to go, or what we should even try to do. So I'm asking for a friend, maybe I'm asking for myself. I'm asking cause I could use a little help. What do we do with bad news? 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 Watching the hours pass while humming a catchy little tune. Why are we feeling this? Watching the hourglass running out a little bit too soon. So I'm asking